Hello everyone. Today is firework festival. Today is the first day in 2022. Now firework is come now. I will to show you because today I come to Y connection and inside it cannot see the firework. We go to look. This is the beach road, and today is stop the car come inside. Yeah, I will just show you how many people on the beach. But this area is not Central Festival. This area is around Royal Garden. Over there. Oh, there. Now finish in the one first in the one country to show the firework, and we'll have more for country. Now I am here is Royal Garden. Here it have a wide connection. I meet my friend there, but I just come down to show you the firework. Today a lot of people come here